Hey up guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see here, we have got the FMS 5K Blazer. It's a 1/24 scale rock crawler, and to be honest with you, I've been looking forward to getting one of these for a very long time now. And I finally got one, but we have just been waiting on a clear day. And today, if you look up, it is actually pretty clear out. So the most important thing is we're going to go and take it. We're going to see what it's like in the water, see what it's like in mud, see what it's like on grass, see what it's like on rocks. You know what we do over here now. We just bash him. Is it going to survive? I guess you'll see at the end of the video. If you like this kind of video, like, subscribe. Oh, and let me quickly show you something. If your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me and he gets. Before we get into the action, I just want to show you. As you can see, it's got a channel 3 here. And on this channel 3 button, if you flick it all the way to the end, that's in like slow mode, crawling mode, boring mode in my eyes. That's in neutral, you ain't going nowhere, lads. Or full bore, full speed, send it, you know what to do. And the interesting thing on this, if you click this button here that says bind, that actually turns the lights on and off. So you'll see in the video of the RC car with the lights on, and you'll see with basically lights off. But anyway, less of the waffling. If you want to know more about the RC car, I am going to leave a link in the comments below. Let's go and let's get it muddy. Hey up everyone, so we're at location number 1 and let's get into it. There's a bit of mud, a puddle, and some grass. Don't forget this is only a 1/24 scale, so like these things here look really like small, but for a 1/24 scale, you know we're going straight through the mud. Shall we see what it's like on a bit of grass? Can it handle the grass? Can it not? This is only about 50% trigger as well, just to let you all know, which I think is pretty impressive. Should we full throttle it through puddle? Let's give it a reverse. Right, 50, 70, 100. Straight in. Let's go. It's got a right good turning circle on it. Shall we see? I'll be pretty impressed if it makes it through this, to be fair. Straight through. We'll do front now. We'll go backwards. I will just come. Easy. Right, boys, that's location number 1. We're going to take you to location number 2 now, so come for a drive. Let's see what we can do. Watch your shit, lad. Guys and girls, this is a really good location for crawlers because where the farmer comes in, it's always muddy, so you can always have fun. I don't think we're getting through this first bit. Nope, we're stuck, lads. So this is probably the easier one. We'll take it through. Because this car is about as wide as a normal car tyre, so it makes really good crawling stuff. Easy, we got through that one, lads. We'll go and find another one. This is the best thing about crawlers. You can get them muddy and just have fun with them more than anything, because that's what it's all about at the end of the day. We'll go up this step here. I'm only giving it about half a throttle as well, so if you think it's struggling, it's more just so we can get the right crawling path. Because crawling and mudding is all about... Oh, I think I've got stuck here, lads. Oh no, just a bit of power. I would never do competition crawling though. Then should we just full bore and try? Right, so we were going to go to a certain crawling spot, but I don't think I'm going to make it through the puddle, so... we're just going to make do and have a go with what's here now, so let's go for it, boys. Let's see what this Blazer can do. That's the problem at the moment, with everything being so muddy, trying to get to places is hard. But, you know... So this is gear 1, lads. This is like crawling territory. This is about 50% on the trigger as well on gear 1. We might have to bash it to gear 2 in a minute, just so we can get up this big hill. Looking at just easy peasy, no matter. This is 100% trigger now on gear 1. Should we do what we did with the Traxxas Sport? Joking. Why would I do that? This bad boy would sing. Easy. We'll bring it back and we'll try another route. I've got to admit though, I am actually proper happy with this car. I've seen a lot of it on TikTok. I've seen a lot on like YouTube and stuff. I've seen obviously the big RCers have it. And it just makes me want to give it a go overall. So, I did. Boom. Got LEDs on as well now. So at the moment, we're crawling up this banking with about 50% trigger, which I'm... Whoa. Might pick a new route here, lads. It hasn't got the best clearance, but it isn't a competition crawler. I'd say this is more... bit of fun. See if we can slap it in high gear. That technically is not how you should do it, but it works, so. I'm probably the most impressed with the low gearing. because it crawls so. Like, look at that. That's like 25%. It's like you could crawl and choose your route at the same time and just go steady more than anything. So it keeps doing this, stopping at full throttle, so I've got a feeling it's running out of battery, but we're going to get some extra bonus clips just until it runs out. I do like how the trigger's got so much control, like you can pick and choose and it just keeps on going. I really do like that. I've got to admit, I am impressed with the LiPo as well, because the LiPo, it has had what? A full charge. LiPos aren't as good on the first charge as they normally are. So I'm pretty impressed. It's the first charge, and it's hot. It's not too warm today, but it has got a bit of a chill in the air. So I'm not surprised the battery has lasted. What, overall 10, 15 minutes, maybe 20. But I think on this note, as you can see, guys, it's full on struggling now. So I think I'm going to love you and leave you, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and don't miss out on the next RC, because there's another one on the channel. And I'll catch you all later on. You better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate.